Okay, so this is exponential decay. Now the question here is asking, if you bought a used car for $44,899, so it's used, and then the depreciation rate is 10%. How much was the car worth 10.1 years ago? Okay, so let's start off with the formula that we need to solve this. So for any exponential function or exponential equation, we need to start with y equals a times b to the power of x. Now in this case, since it's exponential decay, the b value will be equal to 1 minus the percentage that it's going down, so the depreciation rate to the power of x. Now this differs from exponential growth, because for exponential growth it's 1 plus the percentage that it's going up. So from this we can plug in our values. So it would be y equals 44,899, 1 minus 0.1. So don't forget that when we're putting that percentage in, it has to be converted into a decimal form to the power of 10.1, and it is negative because it says how many years ago, which is in the past. So it's exponential decay, so it's 1 minus, and it's in the past, so it's also a negative exponent. So the first step is to do this here, this calculation, and then multiply it by that. So you plug that all into your calculator, you will get an answer of $130,132.96. Now something to be careful of is putting in the value of the 1 minus 0.1 to the power of negative 10.1 and then rounding that number and then multiplying this here, because if you do that you could get a number that's upwards of like $100 off just because of the exponential, just because the decimal continues and it deals with exponents. So you always want to make sure you're keeping the full decimal for this and then multiplying it by that. And this is the final value. So 10.1 years ago, the car was worth $130,132.96.